Oh my god, guys, I can't. I'm happy to record this because the Bloxy Awards. Oh my god! These are like YouTubers. I'm actually a fan of these YouTubers. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so cool. This is bloxy Awards, guys. This is like super cool. Oh! Oh my god, guys. This is so cool.
I'm going to leave my whole house.
Wow. Oh my god, what is happening? Oh, is this Disney World or something? Oh my god. What is this? I know we're in a big globe thing, and not everyone's glitching. Oh, I know what this is. This is the game that...
Zero, a world of wonder, magic.
Wait, never mind.
Dangers? Ha! Maybe if you're not a seasoned warrior like me.
I actually never
Just
played
enjoy the
this
sights.
before.
I'll get that meta shard in no time. Where did all that gear come from? I won it in battle.
Hey, espera.
What battle? The, Battle of Friendship. By which I mean, he gave all of it to me.
Hola a todos. Hola Roblox.
Is that Trophy 23? Sure is. He's helping me clear out this level, at least a little bit faster. Fortunately, I speak excellent Spanish.
¿En serio? Bueno, lo que sea que funcione. Mientras nos mantengamos unidos y no nos fuguemos, estaremos bien.
See? Well, while we're getting the lay of the land, how about you cover this year's nominees for Best Showcase? Of course. Best Showcase. This year's nominees are
Eat!
Lost Street, Grand Haven, Rotterdam, Totoro,
So, are these like the best houses?
Afterlife,
Afterlife.
and the Bloxy goes to
Oh my. Oh, where does it go to?
Grand Haven, Rotterdam.
Wow.
Hello everyone, I am SuperSnow11 and I want to thank you all for tuning me as the winner of the Bloxy Award for Best Showcase. Recreating Deluxe and adding
Eek.
1950s hardware has been a challenging experience, and to be rewarded like this is absolutely insane. Thanks to all my friends and fans for their continued support. Without you, this wouldn't have been possible. Thank you.
Most immersive experience. The nominees are World Zero, Dawn of Aurora.
Okay.
Dragon Adventures.
I never actually played these games.
Bad Business.
That sounds cool. Oh my god. I actually saw a YouTuber
And the
play
bloxy goes to
Bad Business.
World Zero.
Hey everyone, I'm Abstract Alex.
Hey guys, I'm Locard. Thank you so much for nominating us for the most immersive experience. We've made some major changes last year based on all of your feedback and have been overwhelmed by the support.
We have some awesome new ideas we're going to try out this year, so stay tuned for those and much more.
Whoa. Wait, where are we going now? Oh my god, the spaceship is flying. Wait, oh, I'm here. Where are you going? Whoa. Wait, are we dropping? Oh, another one just showed up.
They ought to call this place World Zero. Places to sit. Am I right? Yeah, you guys get it. Have you guys tried looking in the giant treasure hoard inside Prison Tower? Look, I've been keeping my eyes peeled, and if there was a meta shard here, I'm sure I would have seen it. Hey, wait! I think I see it! Look, that's totally shard-like-ish. It looks literally nothing like the meta shard. Come on, how many crystals could there be in a fantasy game?
¡Cuidado! ¡Ese es el cristal del cangrejo! ¡No deberíamos!
Let's go! Shade Party!
That's not a crystal celebrity head.
Oh dear. Let's just wait outside Prison Tower in case they need us. In the meantime, why don't we give out the award for Best Use of Tech? The nominees are...
I actually saw this game, about mermaid life, but I never played
Tank
it.
Warfare, Dragon Adventures,
That's it.
Super Golf,
Oh, I actually saw a YouTuber play this, and I know the name,
and
but I
the
forgot.
bloxy award goes to Tank Warfare.
Tank Warfare 1.
Deverini here from IndieBox Studios. We've had an
I
absolutely
never
incredible
actually
year
played
working
it
on our
before.
game Tank Warfare, and are
But
thoroughly
it
honored
sounds
to have
cool.
won the Best Use of Tech award.
Yeah.
Winning this award has proved to us that if you surround yourself with the right people and live with the mentality of giving everything a bash, truly anything is possible. Cheers.
Okay. Okay, yeah. Go to my brother when the familiar games come.
Rovi? J-Party? How did things go with your new crab friend?
Huh? Oh, it went great. Yeah, it's great. Brody did,
Why are we going
great
here?
job with that.
Well, I hope you've learned an
I
important
hope like
lesson
there's
about
games
drawing
that
aggro.
come that are like familiar, because I never actually really played these games.
You mean crab?
Well, hey, good news is I did find the meta shard.
Did what? Oh dear.
Oh well. Another one, yay!
I found it! I found it!
Oh,
Right here!
wow. This is funny.
¡Nos está alcanzando! ¡Corre!
Catching up.
Really?
Uh-oh.
Warming up the old hyper thrusters.
That is...
I'm sure they're fine. Wake up our hyper thrusters. Let's take a look at this year's nominees for Best Sleeper Hit. Outlaster.
Oh my god. I love that game.
Mega Mech.
I never played Mega Mech. I'm not sure what it is.
The Wild West.
Oh, I know the Wild West. But I never actually played it. So the games that I'm seeing is the games
Super Doomspire.
that is similar to like the other, like, I don't know. But yeah, that's similar to something. I forgot.
And the winner is Super Doomspire.
Hi everyone, I'm Polyax. You might know me as the co-creator of this, or the creator of this, or maybe this. I just want to say thank you so much for voting Super Doomspire this year. It means a lot to us. The game has sort of evolved a lot thanks to you guys, the players, and I'm really excited to see where it goes from here. Do you have anything to add, though? She doesn't know what a bloxy is.
Oh my god. This is so cool. Oh my god. Okay guys, the next one just came out.
Really easy.
Ugh.
You know, we really gotta make these quests more
I need to
challenging.
see
You
this.
know, raise that level cap for us experienced players. You know.
J-Party, look up behind you.
What? Oh no. Oh good. No, he's cool. Cool.
Ojalá tuviera un arma como esa.
Oh right. I'll go ahead and admit it.
But you're the
I
creator.
couldn't have done this without you. Or should I say, gracias.
Gracias, Roby.
De nada.
Gracias.
You didn't understand him at all, did you?
Au revoir.
I'd facepalm if I had hands.
Nos vemos en Roblox. Hasta luego.
Well, I think we all learned something today. Except for J-Party.
Oh my god. No! If I zoomed in, what is happening? Oh my god, see you guys in a couple seconds. Guys, I actually went in the hole.
Better shard down. 2 to go.
Okay.
Here to present our next award, please welcome special guest, Creepcraft.
Creepcraft! Oh my god, Creepcraft! You can YouTube it too, okay?
What's up, everybody? It's
Whoa.
Creepcraft. One of the greatest things about Roblox is being able to share new experiences with people from all over the world. There's nothing quite like the feeling when you and everybody all get to be a part of the same moment together. That's why it's
Jack
awesome
is in
to
the
present this
back.
brand new category for the year's
There's
Fast and
flamingos
Live
in the
event. Let's see
background.
those nominees.
I see another flamingo. This is so cool.
Best live event.
Oh my god. RB Battles live event. Eek. I
Adopting
am.
Fossil Isle Excavation.
I don't play Adopt Me.
Jailbreak.
Yes!
3-year anniversary.
OMG, I played Jailbreak. You adopt me.
Halloween
Oh my god, Ursula, I love Ursula.
It's called Arsenal.
Yeah. Arsenal, yeah, Arsenal.
And the
Oh my
Bloxy
god.
goes
This better not be a boxing.
RB
to
Battles.
RB Battles live event.
Which is hosted by Russell Plays
Wow,
and
best live event? That's awesome! There were so many
Sub-
amazing live events on all of Roblox this year, so we're extremely honored
I don't know how to
to be
pronounce her
nominated, let
name.
alone win a
The
Bloxy.
name.
Special thanks to our amazing fans, over 50 developers that worked on the event, and Russo for being amazing. Wait, who wrote this?
Not me.
Okay, bye.
Oh, someone said no, I wanted to adopt me. I guys, just telling you, I kind of abandoned Adopt Me.
Let's check it out.
Yeah, because I didn't win.
Up.